Hey guys, Anthony here with a video on Amazon Prime for students. Amazon Prime is a subscription service which is packed with many benefits for Prime members. In a previous video, I did a comparison of some of the key Amazon Prime benefits in US and Canada. If you are a student, you can get a 6-month free trial, but there are limitations in terms of benefits. So in this video, I'm going to cover what you get with your Student Prime membership during the 6-month free trial. One of the many benefits of Prime membership is unlimited free shipping, specifically free 2-day shipping on over 100 million items with no minimum threshold. Prime membership includes free access to Amazon Video, a video-on-demand service which gives you access to thousands of TV shows and movies for rental and purchase. Prime membership also comes with Prime Photos, which provides free unlimited photo storage on Amazon's safe and secure cloud drive. Yet another benefit of Amazon Prime is Prime Reading, which gives you unlimited access to over 1,000 books, magazines, Kindle Singles, and much more. One of the exclusive benefits of Prime Student is college deals and promotions, which includes top deals for students on electronics, school supplies, and much more. Twitch Prime is a live streaming video platform and community for gamers. You get free game content, exclusive discounts, and much more. That being said, during the 6-month trial period, Prime student members only receive a single 30-day free Twitch channel subscription with their membership. You do get full Amazon Prime benefits on the annual Prime student plan. As an Amazon Prime member, you also get early access to lightning deals. This gives you access to these lightning deals 30 minutes before regular customers. Some of the key Amazon Prime membership benefits that are not included with Student Prime during the 6-month free trial period include Prime Music and Kindle Owner's Lending Library. To be eligible for Amazon Prime Student, you need to have an Amazon.com account, be a college student actively enrolled in at least one course at a college in the US, you need to be able to provide proof of enrollment upon request, and you need to have a valid .edu email address. After the 6-month trial membership, you can get Amazon Prime at a 50% discounted price on the annual plan, or get the monthly plan for $6.49. Amazon Prime Student is also available in Canada, though it is not the same as the US membership. You can check the links in the description section to learn more and to sign up for the 6-month free trial. Well, hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.